In humans, normal vision, X with a big C, is dominant to color blindness, X with a little c, and is sex-linked. A normal visioned woman whose mother was colorblind marries a colorblind man. What are the chances that one of their children would be colorblind? Okay, so we're solving a Punnett square in this question. First, let's highlight some important things we need in order to answer the question, and we can brainstorm a little bit, solve, and then pick our choice. So we're looking at a sex-linked trait. Remember, when it's sex-linked, that means it's on the X chromosome. We're looking at a normal visioned woman, so that means that she could only be between, because the key is given down here, so she could only be this genotype or this genotype. But it says her mother was colorblind. So if her mother was colorblind, which looks like this one here, X little c, that means her mother had to donate one little c to her in the process of fertilization, which means that she, the woman that we're crossing, has to be heterozygous. The man is colorblind. So that means he is this one here because there's only two choices for men. And we're looking for the chances that one of their children would be colorblind. So out of their total children, what are the chances that one would be colorblind? And according to our answer choices at the bottom, it's going to be a percentage. So remember, we always make a key first. In this case, the key was made for us. So we figured out what our parents are. She is heterozygous, normal, and he is colorblind. Remember, colorblind's recessive, so that little c is what stands for the colorblind. So if we make our cross, I'm making my little c's very small so that they show up. We have X, big C, X, little c for 1. X, little c, X, little c. There's a colorblind one. X, big C, and a Y for this boy. And X, little c, and a Y. So there's our offspring percentages, or possibilities, I'm sorry. And we need to see how many would be colorblind. So remember, colorblind is recessive. So this one would, and this one would. There's a girl that would and a boy that would because they both have the lowercase c, or the recessive allele on their X chromosome, or on both. So that means 50% of their children would be colorblind. So our answer here is C.